Right, so never give it up. That's it. Just keep on going, Brett.
Never giving up. So when I'm watching YouTube with my wife, we don't watch woodworking channels.
No. Just walking down the end of the garden, that separation, getting away from the house, for the wife, folks, is not watching.
You look over your shoulder. My wife is
I'll be
watching
sleeping in here
this.
tonight. Is that San Pellegrino?
Other drinks are available, as they say. This is not an ad. I'm not sponsored by it.
I'm sure you're trying to get some sort of sponsorship here.
Yeah.
I could probably spy to one door. Out there are connoisseurs of species of wood. Doug is trying to collect every species. Like in the pink t-shirt and the boss cap.
Oh, there we go.
He's isn't he? Very with it.
Hey, Rob, are you hearing the word Makita, not Dual?
I know.
Did you hear that?
As long as you don't mention Parkside, you know.
Using a belt sander has ended up sanding up your lead and it's jammed.
Oh,
the
yeah.
Belt sander. Who's experienced that?
But you ever see the video Loz did with his belt sander? He left it on the table outside.
It shot off.
He shot off. He put the plug out.
Oh.
And then it folds up. And
RS2000.
oh.
Drooling already.
This week's question, wood or plastic window frames, which are best? Well, you can't beat, can you, sash windows? Just go straight to his workshop tour first. Just blow your mind.
Plasterboard screws are really, really sharp.
Done loads of them, I end up with loads of little black bits under my skin.
Yeah, you can get them. So the highest number for the full gradient for drainage.
You got the right answer, haven't you, Mark?
Well, yeah, I have got the right answer. Yes, I've got the right answer. Yes.
I've not written these out, actually. I've just wrote the answers.
You don't even know.
What's the fourth letter of the second word in CLS?
I no.
Also, Ian Wright, B. It's Canadian lumber.
Has Mark created a theme tune? No.
Oh no!
Yes, I started doing something really chronic in the shed space. I just complete some tosh.
I'm going to sample that. It comes along like this, and the table just collapses.
Oh, my life would take this weird detour, and now here I am with Rob doing all this, and it seems to be going. I think, where's this going?
And we all go back to Mark's afterwards.
And all try and get in my workshop.
Yeah,
Turn it off.
get off. So from me, Rob, and Mark from the Small Workshop Adventures, thanks for watching. We hope to see you on Thursday at 7 p.m. on SHEDSPACE. Please share and you start the conversation. Take care. Cheers.